Best Incorporated and SolderTools.net present StikNPeel. Welcome to the StikNPeel product demonstration. This video will demonstrate the step-by-step process to use StikNPeel in the placement of a quad flat pack component. As always, the first step in any component placement is to clean. Use an appropriate solvent and a lint-free cloth to clean the area where the component will be placed. Step 2. Peel the stencil from the backing and verify that no chads remain in the stencil apertures. Step 3. Carefully align all the apertures with the land on which the component will be placed. Adhere the StikNPeel stencil by pressing across the surface of the stencil. Step 4. Roll solder paste into the apertures with a handheld squeegee. Make sure that all apertures are filled with solder paste and the paste is level with the top of the StikNPeel stencil. Step 5. Carefully lift the stencil from the PCB. Step 6. Place the component and reflow using the appropriate time temperature profile. Thank you for watching this product demonstration of Best's StikNPeel stencil.